You Basque burned cheesecake. Why do we do cheesecake in a Yoder 1500 smoker? Got a really nice creamy center with a nice bark around it, so it's got its own crust. So no peeking. You're not allowed to peek. You're not allowed to see it. So just recap the process. It was in the cooker, on the counter, cooling in the fridge, getting cold so that it's nice and cold. So let's see how things are going. Jeez. I honestly thought it was going to end up a little bit bigger than that. So what happened? No, not really. It really, what happens is it shrinks and it becomes smaller. Let's get a plate that we can put this thing on. I want to behind you. So here's how we're going to outlift it. Remember our baking paper? Now I understand why it's called a burnt cheesecake, right? Can you see? It's not really burnt. It's nicely caramelized. You don't need a crust. And it just has, geez, hang on a second. This is document worthy. Hang on. This is how the Cowboys do their pictures. That is all real. It's not fake. You want to taste, Cowboy? Mm-hmm. We need to make something that's actually going to make this thing pop. And I'm very tempted to have a go right at it, but let's make something. This is called a cooley. It is one of the little things. Remember when you go into cake shops and they put those berry thing drizzles that comes off on the other side? I'm just gonna make one of those quickly. So we've got some frozen fruits in here. A little bit of strawberry, good. We're gonna fire up the jetty. Come on, let's get some power going. We couldn't take you through the whole process because that thing makes a huge noise, so the microphone doesn't want to work. But the bottom line is a little bit of frozen fruit, flash frozen fruit, a little bit of sugar, get the fruit to boil, reduce it, and you end up with a slurry of absolute deliciousness. And all we're gonna do is put this on our cheesecake. And you have to do this, Cowboy, otherwise. There you go. Bottom line, you can bake a Basque burnt cheesecake, oh, that smoky flavor, in your Yoder 1500, 640, 480. Pick a Yoder, you can do it. Any smoker actually, but Yoders in particular. And make your own cooley. Get a little bit of smoky flavor on that thing. And your wife will love you for this, because we're the Cowboys, we can do this, and the only way you're going to get a happy of that is when you come to HQ. Or you can always order a whole cheesecake for your family, but you know, that's a whole different story. But I've got an appointment now. I'll see you later, and thanks for joining us for this whole escapade. It's been great having you.